All right, Knox. You ready to go try to catch some fish?
Yeah.
What kind of fish are we going to try to catch?
Maybe salmon.
Salmon?
Or flat.
Or what? Bass?
No, maybe I want some bass.
Bass?
I want to eat some bass.
All right, come this way.
You eat that? I give some for us.
You
Here.
got it?
Big one.
Oh, thank you.
Maybe we can eat it on both.
Here we go. All right, looks like we got one. We got our first one. Look at that.
Whoa! I want hold it.
All right, hold on.
You got some boys?
Yeah, we cut his mouth a little bit. That hook will cut their mouth just a little bit. Sometimes. Hold on. Let me see if I can get a good hold on him.
Boys?
Yeah, but he'll get better. Watch. I'll wash it off. See?
You wash it up before you eat it? There's some more boys.
Yeah.
There's some more boys right there.
You want me to let him go?
Yeah. That
All
one
right.
is not perfect one. He has some boys.
Yeah. Going. So the fish like to eat lizards, and they think this is real. See how it moves around and it looks real? But look, when I put a hook in it, like this, and the fish bites this in the water, this hook is going to go in the fish's mouth and he won't be able to get off. And that's what allowed me to reel him in. What do you think about that? All right, we got number 2. How many fish have we caught so far, Knox?
2.
All right, let's get him in the boat.
Someone has a boy.
No, he's good. What do you think?
I think.
You think he's good?
Mm-hmm.
That's a pretty good little fish. Now hold him tight and drop him in the water. Keep holding him tight.
I'm going to drop him in water.
Good job.
I want to drop him in water.
Because we're letting him go.
I let them fish go.
Oh, he's jumping out the water. He splashed you. He's trying to splash you, Knox. What do you think?
I think. That bigger fish?
It's a little bigger. You want to try to keep him and eat him?
Yeah.
All right.
I want to eat no one.
All right, we're going to have to keep him in the bottom of the boat, though. So he's going to flop around a little bit. There we go.
I didn't want to eat that one. Why don't we eat that one?
He's a little bit small, but we can eat him. Yeah, we can eat him.
Now I'm going. I want to eat that one. Oh,
Got another one. All right.
I want to eat that one.
Yeah, that's a good little fish there. All right. Hooked him right in his mouth. What do you... Oh. Ooh. He's a kicker. Yeah, that's a good little fish.
He kicked.
He's flopping all over the place. You see any gators in there?
No. They must not like it. They also live in there. They also live in there.
Yeah, let's see. Where's a good spot? Where do you think there's a fish?
Maybe where they by that boat.
All right, well, let's try that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's bring them up to the house and put them on some ice, and then we can clean them. That's pretty good for about, I think we're out here about 30 minutes. All right, you ready to get out? Come help me.
Here's big.
Put it in there.
Here's another one. Oh.
Those at the top are pokey fins. That's called a fin. It'll poke you. They're spiky.
It bites.
Yeah.
Maybe I.
Pick him up by his mouth like I showed you. Put your thumb in his mouth. Your thumb. Your thumb in his mouth. No, in his bottom mouth. Look, do this one. This one is easier. Way down in there where it's soft. Now grab him, pinch him hard, hard. Very good. Pinch him hard. Good. That's how you pick up a bass. All right, do it the other one. Now look, your thumb goes in the thumb. Thumb in there. Thumb. Thumb on the bottom by his tongue. There you go. Pinch hard, hard. Hard. Now put him in here. You pinch him hard and it keeps him from moving. Good job.
That.
Well. Cooking 4 pieces for Bro Bro. It only has salt. You see a spider?
That one had points in it.
It's on his chair.
That one had points.
What color is it?
Blue and red. That's on me.
How is it?
Good.